In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Advanced Features. Then hit one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Then pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or a button. Wherever you decided, follow the instructions below the chosen one. So in my case, double tap the home button. When I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is on. If you wish to resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. If you want to change placement of it, you can hold this line at the top and drag it as well. If you want to change side of your little screen, click on this icon on the left or on the right. To go back to standard size, click on blurry area. And to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!